Have you ever been hyper motivated or on a rush job for a customer, only to find that enthusiasm completely decimated because you didn't have the appropriate library components ready to go? Imagine having access to virtually every commonly used connector, including all their terminals, seals, associated parts, ready to go in your project at a click of a button. At Cadonix, we believe that engineers' focus should be entirely in the areas where they truly add value. Our Arcadia electrical CAD suite allows you to search, select and install components from our vast curated cloud database. Our verified quality components are loaded ready to use with all the associated parts and metadata you will ever need. Even if the part is not there in our database, you do not have to create it yourself, although that is always an option, but you can request it and our highly trained staff can create that part for you to our exacting standards. If you're not using a tool with this capability, don't worry, you can sign up right now and start using Arcadia immediately. Our no risk cloud technology allows you to use our software straight in a web browser with no further hardware or software packages or plugins needed. You can get going and your team can be productive right away.